Hello. Hello.
Hello,
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful. What's your
Nice.
name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba.
Yes, what's your name?
My name is Vanessa.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you too, Sahiba. Your name is beautiful.
Thank you. No, where are you from?
I'm from the United States, but right now I'm living in Mexico.
Okay.
And you are?
I am from India.
Okay, very
Yes.
nice. Have you ever been to the United States?
No.
So tell me, you have been using Cambly for a little while now. So tell me, what is it that you hope to gain from using Cambly?
Actually, I joined the Cambly 5 days ago.
Yes,
Yes,
5 days
I
ago. Okay,
just I am practicing in speaking English.
okay, very
Yes,
good.
yes. What's your profession?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you are only Cambly teacher, or
Yes.
do you something else?
No, I just right now I am only working on Cambly. With the pandemic, I have to work online, so this is just the best way for me to be employed.
Okay, you are so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. So are you. I love the gap in your teeth. My husband has the gap like that too. I love it.
uh, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
What?
Color?
Yeah, yeah, color.
Purple. Purple.
Okay, purple.
Yes. Yes. I have that in purple. My water bottle has purple.
Okay. Do
My
you
my
live
iPad cover is also purple.
do you live with your family?
Just my husband. Just my husband.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Are you
we've
married?
actually been we've been traveling now around the world for 4 years.
Okay. So,
Yes.
have you visit in India?
No, I've never been to India. Hmm.